Look at this, guys. This is rain up here. You can't even really see it, but this is, I guess I'll say, the most rain we've ever gotten at one time here. And we're in my boss's F-250 right now. Thank God they make these things higher. They can survive storms like this. You want something to survive a storm, get you one of these. The F-150s ain't bad either. But we just passed the spot. Oh, there's another one up there. I mean, the whole rain was touching the grill of a couple of cars there. This is crazy. We need this rain, though. I haven't seen this since Carolina. This is crazy. It is coming. What is that in the road? Is that a? Oh, that's a cone. Wow. Yeah, look at all that right there. Standing water right there. That's the worst lane to be in. It's the right lane. Stay in the center lane. See what Dad Street looks like. Came across 3 fallen trees already, some trash cans, and one light that ain't working. What is that thing doing? Oh, I see light though. Okay, we're coming out of it now. Let's see what his street looks like. Yeah, the bumps look even. There's one. Right there. Look at all that standing water right there. Holy cow. I got this out. Yep, today is the day Dad sets trash out. And look what's in the street. Oh, he must have went somewhere. Oh, he might have went down to my aunt's house. Yeah, look at this whole road is covered in stuff. Oh, there's a fallen tree limb about to fall right there. What's up, Sonic? Alright, I'm going to the house to wait for him. Yo, take a look at this. Go get my boss a hand. He said he couldn't even get through there. Good grief. It's never been this bad. Where is he at? Wow, dude, look at all this. Tree there, tree there, tree there, tree there. This is crazy, man.